The kind of snack that disappears the moment it's fried. These Goan chicken croquettes are simple, homely, and full of flavor, the ones everyone waits for at the table. Hi, my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. These croquettes aren't just crispy, they're the kind of snack that brings back memories of Goan gatherings. Place 507 grams of boneless chicken breast in a kadai. Apply half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon heaped of ginger garlic paste. Dice the chicken. Keep aside and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Add little oil, less than half cup of water. Place on medium flame. Stir it. Cover and let it cook. Stir in between. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add 1 egg, add a pinch of salt and beat well. We will keep this aside. Once the chicken changes color, add 1 diced potato. Cover with the lid and let it cook. In another bowl, add 1/3 cup of semolina, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix well. We will keep this aside. The potatoes and chicken are cooked well. I'll keep the kadai open so that the water dries completely. Once the water dries completely, remove the kadai from the flame and place a pan on the flame. Heat little oil in it, add 1 1/2 onion chopped. Saute the onion on medium flame. Once the onion turns translucent, add salt and mix well. Then add half tomato chopped, 1 green chili finely chopped, one and a half teaspoon of Goan garam masala, add 1 tablespoon of Goan vinegar and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Once the tomatoes are cooked, switch off the flame. Once the chicken and potatoes cool down completely, I mince them in a mincer. If you don't want to use a mincer, you can use a mixer and grind into a fine paste. Now I'm adding the sauteed ingredients to the mince. I'm mixing it well. I'm adding little chicken stock powder. If you don't want to add it, you can skip it. Next I'm adding handful of fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped, little chili flakes, and I'm mixing it well. Now I'm adding little beaten egg. Mix it well. I'm adding half teaspoon of chili powder. If you want it to be less spicy, then you can use less chili powder. Next I'm adding 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and mixing it well. You can add more salt if required. If you find the mixture too sticky, then you can add more breadcrumbs. If you find the mixture too dry, then you can add more beaten egg. My mixture is perfect. It is neither dry nor sticky. So I'll go ahead and take portions of the mixture and shape into cylindrical shape. Ensure that the croquettes are smooth without any cracks. Beat the beaten egg one more time. Dip the croquettes into the beaten egg and then coat with the semolina and breadcrumb mixture. Roll the croquettes on a flat plate and shape it up properly. Ensure that there are no cracks. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the croquettes on medium flame until they turn golden in color. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. hot from the pan, crispy and full of flavor. These Goan croquettes are simply irresistible. These croquettes are golden, crisp, and so inviting. The kind of snack that never lasts long once it's served. Soft inside, crunchy outside, and full of homely flavor. Simple, comforting, and loved by everyone. Wow, just look at that. Look how golden and perfect it is, without any cracks. See you soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.